Everyone, welcome to Caster Squad. In this video, I will teach you how to apply for online training at TEVTA. So before I start my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. So let's start. Open any web browser. Type TEVTA. Click on official link of Technical Education and Vocational Training Authority. So this is the home page of TEVTA. Here you can select one of the courses from this list: WordPress, SEO, digital marketing, designing and animation, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator. So the eligibility criteria is matriculation and basic computer proficiency. Females are encouraged to apply. So the last date of apply is 10th January 2021. Apply now, or you can click on online admission form, click apply. So here you can select the category e-learning courses, WordPress, SEO, digital marketing, etc. So now select the shift online, select district Lahore, select institute virtual campus TEVTA. So here you select the preference courses. So first I prefer Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. Second I prefer designing and animation. Third preference is digital marketing, and fourth is search engine optimization. So click next. The eligibility criteria is minimum qualification matriculation, proficiency in English language, proficiency in computer operating, age 15 year, CNIC, Bayform, computer, laptop along with internet connectivity, webcam and headphone, etc. Last date is 10th January 2021. So here you put your personal information: full name Saima Malik, father's name Jahangir Malik, gender female, enter your CNIC with dash. Enter your date of birth, day, month and year. So enter your religion, Islam. Enter your email address, XYZ, and enter your mobile number. So here you can give the link of your social media, Facebook, Twitter, etc. Here you put your WhatsApp number. The fields with red asterisk is mandatory and other are optionals. So put your address, Blue Area, Islamabad, Pakistan. So here you fill your father information, father's name Jahangir Malik, relationship father, occupation or profession is unemployed, mobile number. Here select your province, Punjab, your district, Chakwal, Tehsil, Chakwal, city, Chakwal, address, Chakwal city, district and Tehsil, Chakwal, Pakistan. So enter mobile number. So now you fill your qualifications. So first matriculation, type your major subjects. First mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology. So now enter your board or university name. Your matriculation passing year 2010. your total marks, (1050), your obtained marks. So you can add your qualification if you have intermediate, bachelor, masters. So put your intermediate major subjects: mathematics, physics, chemistry. Enter your intermediate board or university name, your passing year of intermediate, total marks, and obtained marks. So put your work status, unemployed. Here you choose your file, upload your passport size picture. Check if above information true, click here and then click submit application. So your application for admission has been successfully submitted. Your selected courses preferences here. Your application number 77582 should be saved for future reference. Click on download as PDF. Here your application details. So download as PDF. When your downloads complete, click on downloaded file. This is your complete information. Don't need to post, just save as soft copy. Click on done. So you can download your application from here also. Click on download application, then enter your CNIC. So enter your application ID 77582, then click on find application. So if you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button